So we have already covered switching between terminals, accessing the command line, run level and effect we have seen or not? No. Okay. So first we'll go with the run level. We'll clear this all line by line. After this, describing the file system we have done, managing files and folder using command line, and it remains making links between files. So these two things we'll cover first, then we'll move further. So next now 8 a.m. Link file, na? Link file run level. So first of all, what exactly is a run level? So run level controls the boot process or boot environment of Linux. Means Linux will boot in which environment, that is controlled by run level. Okay, means our Linux will boot in single user mode, multi user mode, with networking, without networking, in command line, in graphical. So these all things are controlled by run level. So we have overall 7 run levels, 0 to 6. 0 means if this run level is set, means after half boot, means when our Linux is booting, after half boot, when this run level is going to load, or it is going to determine the mode of Linux to be opened, it will shut down. Okay, so 0 means shutdown. 1 means single user mode. Single user mode means where it will not ask to log in. It will not give any prompt to log in. Directly it will give us a prompt to execute the command. That is called single user mode, where we cannot log in with different users. Understood? No more terminals. Only one terminal will be there and no login options. That is called single user mode. If your run level is set to 2, 2 means you will get the option to log in on different terminals or console, but it will be in complete command line. Okay, means you will not get any graphical option in run level 2, and in run level 2 you will not get any networking option. So here I have written, I think when you was talking on that time. Yes, she reminded me yesterday. Today we will do that also. So in run level 2, what we are going to have, multi-user login, means we will get multiple terminal, we will get the option to log in, so we can log in with any user, but without NFS. NFS is a file sharing service, network file system. So in this file sharing service, why we have given without NFS? In general, we can say without networking. Okay, so we will not have any networking features in run level 2. Run level 3, same, with networking features, with NFS. Okay, so our server, when it is deployed in corporates, it is deployed in run level 3. Means always server is deployed in complete command line, multiple terminals with networking and its feature. That is run level 3. Run level 4, it's not used. Run level 5, the one which you are using. All the features of run level 3 plus graphical. Okay. Run level If I talk about run level 2, multiple login without networking features and graphical. Run level 3, all features of run level 2 plus networking. Run level 5, all features of run level 3 plus graphical. Graphical desktop option is there. And run level 6 is reboot. So is it clear? So this topic is important for your interview also. Most of the interviewer they ask questions about run level, how many run levels are there, what is the meaning of each run level. Okay. If you have to test, if you have to check run level of your Linux machine, how you will check? To check the run level, we have command run level. So currently the run level is 5. Okay. Now I am going to change the run level to 3. So I will press init space 3. Init command is to change run level. Okay. Graphical option gone. Only CLI. You see, if I go to terminal 2, alt control F2. So generally I should go on graphical, but here it is coming to command line. Understood? Now I am on terminal 1. You see, if I check run level, so run level is 3. Previously it was 5. Is this run level clear? Any confusion? Again to go in graphical, init 5. Why? Why permission right? Normal user. We have to log in with root. And whenever you switch with the user, always keep in mind we have to execute cd command. Init. Why cd? So that you can return to your home folder. You see, we got the graphical option. So I hope you can change the run level if required. So in interview, if they are going to ask servers are deployed in which run level? Huh? Run level 3. Servers are always deployed in run level 3. Why? Because command line works faster. Command line takes less resource and command line is more secure than graphical. So any question, any doubt in this run level? Huh? Which huh? Graphical to not to exit. If you want to switch, init command is there. Init space, give the number whatever you want to go. Hello. Good morning. Yeah, tell me please. Correct, correct. 10:15, na? Okay, we'll be there by 10. Okay, okay. Then I'll be near to that. Next is creating and managing link files. So what is link file? What is the purpose of creating link file? So link file means linking one file with another file. Now what is the purpose? Why we do this? So there can be two different scenarios. One, instead of accessing any file which is kept somewhere and defining the full path, we can create a shortcut. Like we create a shortcut on our desktop, just click and we open. So that is called here as a soft link. So if you want to create shortcut for very long path or the file which is kept somewhere far or inside, like suppose 10 different folders. So you want to create shortcut for that file, you can use soft link. Another scenario, if you want to have multiple files, means more than one file, and the content should be same. So if by mistake I have deleted one, I can recover from another. Then we create hard link. Okay. So both the link files are link file means linking one file with another file. Second thing, we have two type of link files: hard link, soft link. Difference between hard link and soft link is soft link is directly shortcut. Okay, and hard link means uh, creating a file which should be in sync with another file. Whatever I add here automatically should be added in the second file. Whatever I add in second file, that should be added in first file. Both should be in sync. And if any one file is deleted, we can recover the data from second file. Is it clear? For that purpose, we create hard link. But in soft link, as it is a shortcut, if original file, the main file is deleted, you cannot open with the shortcut. So same applies here also. Any confusion? Hmm? Now there is a one term here called inode, inode value. So what exactly is this inode value? So inode value means the roll number, sequence number of any file and folder which you are going to create in Linux. There will be one sequence number, and that sequence number is called inode value. Clear? I am going to create a blank file. File 1, file 2. I want to check the inode value of both. ls space minus I, file 1, file 2. You can see the inode values are different. You see. So inode values are different. Why it is not in the sequence? The reason behind that is if you delete any file, the inode value will get free. Understood? And the next file which is created, that inode value will be assigned to that file. Suppose system is assigning file number in a sequence. In between you have deleted some files. So that inode value is free. So now the next which will come, it will not follow the sequence. First, the free inode values will be allocated. Then the sequence will be followed. That is the reason we are getting like this. Let me create 4 5 files, then we might have 5 6 file 7 file 8. Okay. ls space minus I space file history. Do we have in sequence? Not yet, na? 893, 35, 949, 950, 51. You see. File 6, 950. File 7, 951. Again, there is a gap. So if you have created lot of files and deleted, then that free inode will be assigned to it. Is it clear? Another thing, the folder maintains its own sequence there. Like folder 1, folder 2, folder 3. ls space minus id. I for inode value, D for folder. Folder asterisk. See the sequence number. Okay. So again the folder inode value which is free, that is assigned to it. So in short, inode value is what? The numerical value assigned to any file and folder for its identification. Okay. It can be in sequence, it can be random also, based on the files and folder availability. If any files and folder is deleted, that inode value gets free and that is assigned first. Clear? So if you want to see for all, simple ls space minus I only you have to use. You want to see with extra information, ls space minus il or li. Clear this one? All deleted. File, folder, whatever I have created. Because everything starts with F, I have given F asterisk. Now, we are going to see this hard link and soft link. What does it relates to? Here, inode connection is for hard link, inode value will remain same. Okay, on the same inode, there will be two name as a mapping, and soft link, the inode value will be different. So let us create one file. So this is a file. I am going to create a hard link. ln space mango orange. To create a hard link, ln command is enough. So if you are creating for any file which is kept somewhere else, then accordingly you have to give the path. Okay. Now, ls space minus I space mango space orange. As I told you, in hard link, inode value will remain same. So you can see the inode value is Next thing, if I'm going to add anything in the link file, and see the changes in original file, it happens. So both the files are in sync with each other. Okay. And the next concept says, if we delete the main file, the original file, we can recover data from the link file. Mango deleted, we are able to access the data. So this entire concept is clear. Advantage of using hard link, that if the file is deleted, you can recover data from the link file. Why we need to create? Second file we don't need to create. You see, ln, just have to link with the new name. Huh. Another file we don't need to create with cat, just we have to give the name, it will link and all the contents will be with that file also. But while adding anything, don't use single greater than, it will override. You have to use double greater than. If you use single greater than, then existing content will be overwritten. Confusion? All clear? So this is the link file. Is working for all of you? Tried? Honestly not. Hmm? So no one has tried. Tried. Work for you. So how many of you have tried honestly? Only one, two, three. What about others? Tried. Worked successfully. So what you understood? I think you are spending too much time on social media. Half of the headline you read, not the full news. Error you have read, but only half. Then what you should do? What you should do? One already exists means you have to give another name. Read error carefully, you will get the solution there itself. All of you try. If you are facing any issue, show me. Commands are correct, it will execute, but you should understand why we have executed this command. What is the outcome? So if I have shown you hard link, then soft link I think you can create by your own. Huh? Or I should show. This is the statement. Another thing, when you have to create a soft link, the change is only you have to use minus s. Okay, rest all is same. Correct. Next thing, ls space minus is space red space green. As I said, inode values will be different. So we have a different inode value for both main file and the link file. Also one common thing, ls space minus il red space green. You can see here, instead of this regular file, it will show l means link file and green is the link file of red. But if you use the same for hard link, it will not show, because in hard link it will treat both as a separate file, regular file. If I add anything in green, changes are happening similar to our hard link. If you add or remove in one file, it will get updated in another file. This is common. Okay. But if you delete the original file red, you cannot access the data from green. So that is the change here in softlink, because softlink is a shortcut. Is it done? This link file practice you can do with the normal user also. Root is not required. Root was required to show run levels, to change the run levels. For this, root login is not required. Done for all.